All right, so we are looking at a 2002 RAV4. This one is the all-wheel drive model. So it has a few little dings and whatnot, boo-boos and what suches and whatnots. But honestly, it's the all-wheel drive model, four-wheel drive. Though it's more all-wheel drive, you can't select the gears or anything, but not bad. This is a really, honestly, we put some TLC into this car. It's going to go really far. So I thought today I would go through, I'm going to use this car as a work car. So I think we're going to take the seats out of the back. Those are in good shape. Put those in storage. Take these guys out. We're going to take the seats out because I want to clean the carpet. The carpet's pretty gnarly. You can see it's pretty gooked up. Though not terrible. It just needs a good cleaning, vacuuming. Take the seat covers since they're gross. We'll throw those away. We'll take the seats out. We'll pressure wash them with, I'm thinking OxyClean is probably going to be pretty good. We got the battery in here because the battery's dead. Yeah, see, we just got a bunch of junk crap in here. But it is an automatic. Just dirty, really. There's a few little things that are missing on it, but it is really, really clean. Everything's stock. Windshield's busted up, unfortunately, but we'll deal with that. So let's get working on this little guy. I think what I'd like to do today is work on this situation here. Also, it needs a new battery. So I got a new battery for it, or another one out of my other vehicle that I've swapped. We also are going to want to try to, probably later in this week, probably clean the gook out of there. I got some engine degreaser. We'll take it to the pressure wash and get all that kind of cleaned up. Just go through it. I want to change on the automatic transmission. We want to change on the transfer case on this, and then we want to do also the rear differential. So those will be some things that we'll be working on. All right, so let's take a gander at these. I think these bolts right here, you see, I think those are probably 14, I'm guessing. Let's see. 14. Oh, right on the money. Okay. See, you do this enough, you look at bolts and you can just tell. All right, so let's get these guys out of here. Probably should use my impact, but hey, you know, the old school stuff. Old school rules. You should pop right off the rails. Oh, no biggie. new battery in there, even though I broke the post. Sun's going down. I'm not gonna make it today, but tomorrow is a new day. Oof. Let me get my battery cleaner. That is corrody. Corrody. Indeed. Guy's back. And a guy is back. Alright, let's clean up these terminals because they are gnarly. Not your eyeballs when you do this. Put a new battery in the truck, so this one is going to get donated to this ride. I should have taken that post out of there before I did that, but that's okay. Oh, where's the hole? Got you. Now. Boom. Gotcha. So let's do this. Let's see how we're doing here. I don't know where this went. What is this for? It has like doohickeys on it. That's not where this is, is it? Maybe it is? I don't know. Doesn't really line up. Huh. I don't know. Spare parts. We love spare parts. Okay. I think that comes with every project, is a few spare parts. Alright. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's back you up here. Safety first. Safety first. New battery. Let's crank on it. And then, yeah. Pretty happy with today's work. It's not so pungent. Likes the new battery. Happy. Song and the dance, bro. Song and the dance. We got all this oil cleaned up and all this goop. Fix that rail. It already smells better inside. Just giving it a good cleaning. Not bad, yo. Not bad at all. Good little car. Got a little mess to it. Put some fuel cleaner in it. Air filter, fuel cleaner, run that EPR through the engine. Change the automatic transmission fluid, change the transfer case, change the differential, just kind of go through all the fluids. Alright, that'll do it for tonight's episode, today's episode. Thanks for watching. did some good work, got the car cleaned inside, got a good initial cleaning. I think we'll work on tearing out carpet and doing some other things, but batteries in, seats are cleaned at least, vacuum, we'll get the carpet out. So good day today, batteries in, fires right up, really good running little car. So we got some oil on order for the transfer case and the rear differential, and then we'll be good. I'm going to put some fluid in this, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Have a good night. Ooh, 4? It's got 4 oxygen sensors. Did you know that? Might be